8 tips to increase your push-ups fast. Whether you're a push-up novice or can effortlessly breeze through reps, there's always room to tackle a more challenging variation or amp up the repetition count. Employ these strategies to enhance your push-up prowess. Number 8. Begin at the base. Initiating your push-up from the ground ensures proper form and builds core endurance. It serves as a diagnostic tool to determine if modifications are needed. Lie flat with locked legs and tight abs, then push off from your palms. If maintaining a flat back proves difficult, consider a modified push-up or persist in honing your strength. Starting at the push-up's lowest point, whether on an incline or on the floor, is tougher than the descent, demanding full engagement before any movement. While initially challenging, don't hesitate to modify as needed. Set up at the bottom, check all engagement points, take a deep breath, and focus on a strong push to the top while exhaling. Number 7. Drop to your knees and adjust. To enhance push-up skills, opt for a modified version suitable for you. While watching a coach or instructor might make push-ups seem straightforward, the exercise demands effort. Instead of risking injury, beginners should start with a modified version, such as kneeling or using a wall for support, gradually progressing to a standard push-up, advises Reynolds. Number 6. Widen your hand placement. While narrow and wide push-ups target different muscles, maintaining proper form is crucial, especially for inexperienced individuals. Stick to the standard push-up stance, keeping thumbs aligned with armpits and elbows at a 45-degree angle from the sides. Number 5. Maintain a flat back. Avoid raising your midsection as it diminishes core engagement during push-ups, notes Williams. Given that a push-up is essentially a moving plank, constant abdominal engagement is essential. Additionally, lifting your hips excessively can strain your shoulders. Number 4. Prevent sagging hips. To avert lower back discomfort, maintain a plank-like body position instead of an arched one. Coaches suggest engaging your core by contracting your abs and drawing your belly button toward your spine. Number 3. Keep the head aligned. Maintain a neutral spine to prevent lowering your head when descending. Coaches advise fixing your gaze on a specific spot on the floor until completing the set, ensuring proper alignment. Number 2. Emphasize quality over quantity. Rather than focusing on the number of consecutive reps, prioritize perfecting your push-up technique. Williams emphasizes the importance of executing 5 flawless push-ups and gradually increasing, rather than attempting 20 with poor form. Practicing improper movement patterns can lead to muscle imbalances and eventual injuries. Number 1. Gradually integrate variations. Push-ups offer ample room for variation, such as incorporating plyometric boxes for box push-ups. However, attempting variations prematurely may be counterproductive. Master the standard push-up first, and only explore variations after achieving 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. To stay up to date with our latest videos, make sure to subscribe and press the notification bell button to get some interesting stuff and upcoming videos. Why are push-ups so challenging? Mastering push-ups proves to be a formidable task for individuals of various sizes. Interestingly, the difficulty intensifies as your weight increases, demanding a higher level of strength to navigate your body mass. This could be a plausible explanation for their perceived toughness. In essence, executing a push-up entails lifting about 50 to 60% of your body weight, with increased strength required for a complete range of motion. If you find it arduous to bench press 50% or more of your body weight, it serves as an indicator that executing push-ups will pose a significant challenge, underscoring the necessity to enhance your upper body strength. Moreover, accomplishing push-ups necessitates core stability and body awareness. Sustaining a plank position throughout the entire movement is vital. Hence, if you possess ample upper body strength but still grapple with push-ups, the root of the issue may lie in a weak core, hindering the coordination of your body's movement throughout the range of motion. Lastly, improper push-up technique could contribute to the struggle. Failing to execute the movement with precision might mean neglecting key muscles essential for its successful completion. How to perform a correct push-up with proper form. Commence in a plank position, ensuring your elbows are fully extended and your hands are a bit wider than shoulder width apart. Keep your feet and legs pressed together and pull your belly button up into your body to engage your abdominal muscles. It's crucial to make your body rigid and contracted before reaching the sticking point in the push-up. From the beginning, focus on pressing your thighs together, flexing the quads and glutes, and bracing your core. Inhale and initiate the movement by bending your elbows to lower your body toward the ground. At the bottom of the push-up, your hands should be in line with the sternum, and your elbows should form a 45-degree angle. Avoid tucking your elbows in too much or flaring them out. Additionally, keep your chin tucked and look down, not ahead of yourself. Control the descent with a steady tempo, ensuring it is not slower than necessary. The slower the descent, the more challenging it becomes to push your body back up. Imagine pulling yourself towards the floor, engaging your upper back in a manner similar to a bent over row. Push against the ground firmly, aiming to accelerate through the range of motion until you reach the top. Pay attention to keeping your hips from dropping too low. It's crucial to ensure that your hips and shoulders rise together, preventing the hips from sagging down or shooting up. If you find it challenging, maintain a rigid plank position as you press away from the ground. Exhale as you return to the starting position, keeping your elbows straight, and then repeat using the same form. This is an opportune moment to reset if needed and go through the entire checklist to confirm that your core is engaged, your legs are pressed together, and your upper back is adequately prepared to support you for the next repetition. Share your ideas and experiences about doing push-ups in the comment section below. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like it. And please share our videos with your friends to support our team. Looking for more amazing videos? Check out the videos popping up on the right and the left of your screen. Thank you, guys, for tuning in.